Japanese doctor says, a single leaf of this plant quickly removes all fat from the liver. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll teach you a tea recipe that will solve this problem. But first, let me ask you, do you suffer from fatty liver? What symptoms do you usually experience? Did you know that even if your liver is healthy, it's recommended to detoxify it at least once a year? At the end of this video, we've prepared 2 incredible recipes to help you quickly eliminate all the fat from your liver. You probably already know that detoxifying your body from time to time is essential to help it function properly. Naturally, the liver is responsible for eliminating substances, toxins, and hormonal disruptors that affect the body. However, when the liver is full of toxins, it cannot function at 100%, making it unable to produce antioxidants that keep cancer at bay or detoxify fat-soluble hormonal disruptors, among other things. So, detoxifying your liver becomes one of the essential things you should do at least once a year. Drinking mint tea is an excellent way to cleanse this vital organ. Mint is a plant with numerous health benefits. Consuming mint helps relieve digestive problems, promotes relaxation, and eliminates or halts the growth of various bacteria. It can also be used to treat digestive disorders, heartburn, diarrhea, gastritis, constipation, flatulence, cramps, stomach spasms, asthma, toothaches, nausea, vomiting, bad breath, headaches, colds, stress, and more. Mint tea is a very healthy drink with properties that facilitate digestion, especially after a heavy dinner, for example. Menthol and menthone, its essential oils, increase the body's ability to eliminate waste that accumulates in the liver and colon. Are you curious to know how to use it to detoxify your liver and eliminate excess fat once and for all? Here's how to prepare a delicious mint infusion that will help you. To make the tea, you'll need 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, about 20 grams, and 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Place the mint leaves in a pan with water and let it boil for 2 minutes. Strain the liquid using a sieve, serve and drink half an hour before bed. Consume this drink every night for at least 3 weeks. For the second recipe, to cleanse a fatty liver, you'll need 15 mint leaves, 1 lemon, 1 orange, 2 liters of water, and honey or sugar to taste. Place the water and mint leaves in a container. Boil for 5 minutes, then let it cool. Squeeze the lemon and orange into a cup, adding a tablespoon of grated and washed lemon peel. Sweeten with 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Strain the mint infusion and mix it with the lemon and orange juice. Drink it daily for a week. The tips in this video do not replace medical consultation. Remember, each body is unique and may react differently to the suggestions. To achieve the mentioned results, it's also necessary to combine these tips with a healthy and balanced lifestyle. It's recommended that you drink this mint tea every day for a week. Your liver will thank you greatly. Now that you know the benefits of mint, let us know in the comments which of these 2 recipes you like the most. The first or the second? Also, share this video with your friends so they can learn about this valuable information. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll respond soon. Well, I'll stop here for now. Sending you a big kiss, stay with God, and see you in the next video.